There you go. Wild deer has no fear. Chewing on the cherry tree that I cut down to make more room for my truck and fifth wheel to maneuver. Wonder how close I'll be able to get to it. There he is. He ran off. Not far. Well, it's another day. Got that cherry tree removed. There's a stump sitting up there. There's a clean path right there. Got rock laid in here and rock in there. Make this area a little wider. Once I got that done, I went ahead and worked on the RV's power system. Got that all taken care of. Then I got this all backfilled here around the RV pad. Some people out there just honking their horn. See, got that all backfilled through there. All that through there. I got a bunch of cardboard I'm gonna lay down, and I went and got me some bark that I'm gonna put on top of that around the edge of this RV pad. This year I'll put grass seeds on. With the extra dirt I had, I filled this little dip that I had through here, and that'll be grass. And put bark all the way through here underneath the trees. there you go. That's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. Putting the cardboard box that I have stacked up around here, lay it on the ground, throw some of that bark on it. That's medium-sized bark. So, yeah, and then I'll wet it down. You could wet the cardboard first, or that'll take a while. But you throw the bark on top and then wet it down. I think I wet the cardboard a lot faster and it'll be a little easier. I don't know. You do you, and I'll do me, I guess. Anyway, I'm going to continue on with this project all the way around the RV. Alright guys, this is what I've gotten done so far. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna continue on to there, get this covered. And I'm gonna get up here and the backside covered up with some cardboard and some medium-sized bark. Eventually it'll go out to that tree over there, eventually. I mainly want to get this covered and up towards the house. And also I want to get some bark through here too. And I got a little hole right here I got to get filled in. Should probably get this stuff out of the way. But anyhow, let's go ahead and get this stuff right here behind the RV. Well, there you go. Got that all barked in all the way across through here to this tree. I left this area here blank because once those iris gets done blooming, I'm gonna dig them up and separate them and probably dig that dirt out and put some fresh dirt in there and then cover it with bark. So anyhow, that's pretty much what I've been doing lately. Plus I've been putting a power system in there, and I do have a video out how I did it. So anyhow, that'll be it for this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.